Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shykoh. If it's your first time here, you're very much welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my Airbnb apartment, and I spent here for one night and I totally love this place, and so I just want to give you guys a tour so that you guys can try this place out anytime you're looking for an apartment at Kilimani to spend a night or two or more. So yeah, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, join the family, leave me a comment and all that good stuff. So guys, this is a one-bedroom apartment. When you open the door, this is the first thing you see, a dining set for two. We have a beautiful clock that gives such beautiful decor, and we have this small board which gives the guest the Wi-Fi name and the password, which I think is very thoughtful. And then this place also you're given complimentary sugar, tea, coffee, salt, which I think is very thoughtful. You won't find this, I mean, the Airbnbs that I've gone before, you have to buy everything for yourself. So you walk in, this is the dining set, and then you have this I don't know what it's called, this set of like a shelf where we have some nice decorative things, as you can see, which just gives the house, the room, the sitting room life. Really amazing. So from this angle you can see the sitting room. We have two recliner chairs which are so good, giving you so much comfort when watching movies. Yesterday I really had a good time watching. I watched the whole series. It was interesting. By the way, it was called Never Have I Ever. Watched all of it yesterday in hours, like 3 hours. So yeah, this is the sitting room. We have that stool over there, then the two chairs, a glass table. We have a dispenser. This is the telly. This acted as a very good background for my shoot yesterday. You guys are gonna see the photos on my Instagram, so if you haven't followed me, kindly follow. Okay, so yeah, we have the television, and there is Netflix, there is Wi-Fi. I really loved this thing. It's so pretty. It's those things that you place serviettes in, napkins. I loved that. And then, so on this table, you have a house manual. Can you imagine? You have a whole house manual. So it shows you, tells you more about the house, how you can access the Netflix and stuff like that, about the kitchen. This is so thoughtful. Housekeeping, water supply, safety, then where to eat, and even the contacts of the nearby restaurants. This was so thoughtful. Airport transfers, nightlife, shopping experience. I mean, if you're just new in Kenya, this manual would give you an idea of all the things that you need to do. Then there's some barcodes to scan, even some nearby hospitals and contacts. That is amazing. We have some magazines. The owner of this house is called John. He has a number of apartments and he does such a very good job. Then we have these curtains from there to there. I've opened them up for light. Then we have a balcony with two chairs, so you can relax here, and it's such a beautiful view outside, as you can see. Then if you have a guest, you can see them come in. So that's the sitting room. So next, when you come from the sitting room, we have the fridge here. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the glasses. Here are the glasses. Wine glasses you can find here. Then over here we have the teaspoons and spoons and knives and all that. Then we have the fridge over here. It's empty, but it's working. Then this is the kitchen. This is how the kitchen looks like from outside. It's a good size. So we have the essentials. They even have a apple vinegar. Can you imagine? Cooking oil, grater. What's this? A flask. Yeah, flask. consider vinegar, salt. They have some essentials that you need in the kitchen. Then they have a coffee maker, a kettle, a toaster. Then you have a microwave, and it even has a grill. If not, this was one of my pizza box. Then we have the cooker, a juice blender. Can you imagine you have a juice blender? Yeah, that's the kitchen. Outside the kitchen, it's not opening. Why would it open when I kept the keys? But if you guys can see from this angle, there's a washing machine here, and we have the laundry baskets, and we have a drawer here where I think they keep their stuff. So that's the kitchen. And then we have the bin for the kitchen here outside. So now this is the toilet and the bathroom. This is my cute self. Yeah, so here you have the liquid soap, this cute cup that you can use when brushing your teeth. You have a towel for when you're washing your hands, to dry your hands. Then we have this drawer over here. It's where they store soaps and stuff like that. So we have a dustbin here, toilets. This is the toilet, hand sanitizer. This way you can hang your towels. This bathroom essentials, and that's the bathroom. This is the bedroom. Then we have a side lamp here. This is the bed. It's a king size bed. This is amazing, you guys. Like, it was so comfortable. I only slept for 2 hours, but I slept like a child. Then this cute piece of art over there, and this other side as well. Then you have the iron box. Then these beautiful red curtains, which bring this beautiful ambience to the room. Then we have this fan, a mirror. Yes, 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 yes. I don't get why the mirror has these lines in the middle though, but you know, it's a cute mirror. Just here showing off. Then I don't know, this is like a chair or something. We have a mat here. The floor is beautiful. Some soaps, a tissue. The closets are big, and they have hangers inside them. As you can see, we have an extra duvet over here. Some towels. And you have all this space. So yeah, that's the bedroom. So that's it, you guys. I paid $42 for this Airbnb. It was worth it because it's such a beautiful place. The place is so quiet. Anytime electricity goes off, there is backup generator. The owner called John is very helpful. So I'm gonna leave a link down below of how you can access this house. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I'll see you guys on my next video. Till next time, bye.